Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of solar panel installations and the important NEC compliance requirements for these systems. As the use of solar energy continues to grow, it's crucial to understand the NEC Article 690 guidelines for safe and code-compliant solar panel installations. Let's break it down. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. NEC Article 690 specifically deals with the installation of photovoltaic systems. It outlines the safety protocols, wiring requirements, and specific procedures to ensure that your solar system is installed properly and safely. From the solar panels to the inverters and disconnects, NEC 690 ensures that everything is done right. First up, let's talk about system wiring. The NEC requires that the wires and cables used in solar panel systems be properly rated for outdoor conditions, and the system needs to meet the necessary voltage and ampacity requirements. This ensures the safe operation of the system and prevents overheating or electrical faults. Next, we have the disconnects. According to NEC 690.13, there must be DC and AC disconnects that are easily accessible and clearly labeled. The DC disconnect is used to shut off the direct current from the solar panels, while the AC disconnect disconnects the power coming from the inverter to the grid. Both disconnects are crucial for safe operation and maintenance of the system. Another important requirement in NEC 690.12 is clearances around the system. The panels and all associated equipment must be installed with proper spacing and accessible locations for maintenance and future upgrades. NEC 690.12 specifies the required clearances from roof edges and other structures to ensure safety during installation and future work. Grounding and bonding are also critical in solar installations. NEC Article 690.47 requires that all components of the PV system, such as the solar panels, racking, and inverters, be properly grounded. This is important to prevent electrical shocks and to ensure that any fault current has a safe path to the ground. NEC 690.31 requires proper labeling of all system components, including the solar panel disconnects, inverters, and circuit breakers. Proper labeling helps make future repairs and troubleshooting easier, and ensures the system can be operated safely by anyone working on it. Before finalizing the installation, always test the system to ensure everything is functioning correctly and safely. This includes verifying proper voltage levels, checking the connections, and ensuring the disconnects are working as required by NEC 690.14. To sum it up, following NEC Article 690 is critical to ensure that your solar panel system is safely and efficiently installed. By meeting these NEC guidelines, you help prevent electrical hazards and ensure compliance with local regulations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got questions about solar panel installations? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.